Hello everyone, welcome to Soft Learning. Today we are going to learn tuples in Python. Tuple. A tuple is a sequence of values which can be any data type and they are indexed by integer. Tuples are an immutable sequence of elements. That is, once a tuple is defined, it cannot be altered. Tuples and lists are essentially the same. The important difference is that tuples are immutable. A tuple is a comma-separated list of values. Well, let's create a basic example of tuple. A equal to a set of parentheses which denote as tuple. Inside it, you can put any data type, say sub as a string, 123 as integer, 2.4 as float. Then print the variable a, and you will get all of these values inside the parentheses. To check the data type of a variable, print one more time, print inside the print function type another parenthesis, inside it a variable, then print. You will see class tuple, which means a variable holds tuple values. Okay guys, say I need to create a tuple. Inside it you need to put these values. Okay, computer, copy and paste inside it, and you will get print a, and you will get this computer, right? To do this, there is one more shortcut. Say a, we say b equal to tuple. Okay, open and close the parentheses. Inside it say computer, like this, then print b, and you will get same as the above line. And what is this one, this line? What is the b variable holds? Tuple computer. It's a sequence of argument. A tuple built-in function can be used to create a tuple with sequence of arguments. Well, let's talk about tuple operation like len, max, min, and count. Length. Let's talk about length function. Length method returns the number of items in a tuple. For example, say a equal to tuple, inside the parentheses say user, which means a 4 number, right? Print a, you will get user, user, which is 1 2 3 4. Okay, 4 values. Say print one more time, print say len, like this, len, then parenthesis inside the variable name, then print, you will see 4. Okay, then the max method returns its largest item present in the tuple. For example, say a equal to a tuple, inside it say 100, 400, 1000, 500, and 20. And you know that the largest item present in the tuple is 1000, right? To get this value, type print inside it, say max, like this, max, one more parenthesis, inside it put the variable name, then you will get the largest item present in the tuple. 1000 is the largest item present in the tuple. Okay, like min function, min, which means minimum. Say the min method returns its smallest item present in the tuple. Say I'm going to copy this variable and values and paste here one more time. Then print inside the parenthesis min, then open and close parenthesis. Inside it we need to put the variable name. Okay, then print, you will get minimum value is 20, minimum item is 20 present in the top. Then count function. See, the count method is count how many times of an object occurs in a tuple. Say a equal to parenthesis. Inside it say 100, then wait, 100, 200, 100, 100, and 500, 500. Then you need to put like this, print e dot count. Inside the parentheses you need to put the item that repeatedly presents in the count function in a tuple, say 100. Then here 100 one time, two time, and three time, and it will print three times, which means 100, an object occurs in a tuple three times. Hope you understand. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and share with your friends. Thank you.